Here we have the MOBIL1 synthetic filter. This is the M1-113a. This is for, like I said, for a C6 application, 6.2 liter, 7.0, whatever, whichever. This is going to be your guy as well. So let's take a look at the MOBIL1. It comes with a nice little wrapper on there. The AMSOIL also comes with a wrapper. I just took it off before the video, so that's also a nice thing that the AMSOIL and this MOBIL1 comes fully wrapped, and it protects it from any dirt or debris while it's in transit or in storage. So we have nice, generous rubber seal here. Okay, we can already see that we have a red silicone anti-drain back valve there, but let's take a look at the exterior of this. Nice labeling and branding on the oil filter. Okay, got some kind of date code in the top. This filter here, where is this one made? This one is made in South Korea. Okay, this is one of the only ones this is actually the only one in the video that's made overseas. Okay, this is South Korea compared to the rest that are all made in the USA. Okay, the products of the USA. So this is a South Korea, made oil filter. Still a high quality filter because I use it all the time on my vehicles. I like the MOBIL1 stuff. So let's take a look at this. Let's crack this thing open and let's see what it's about. Yeah, very thick housing on this too. I'm going to guess that these are all very thick housings. Okay, so let's take a look here. We have a silicone anti-drain back valve. About the similar size and dimensions as the AMSOIL that we just took a look at. Okay, very similar, very heavy base plates on this series of filter. We have the same metal leaf spring as a spacer, and to provide tension on the filter element to keep a seal on the anti-drain back, and to provide a seal on between the inlet and the outlet ports. Otherwise, it would just flow right through. It would bypass the filter and just flow right through there if you didn't have this little flapper in there. It's just basically a one-way valve, and it just pushes oil through, and it comes around the flap and pushes into the filter from the outside, okay? So let's take a look at this. Lots of big perforations on the inside of this filter. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the perforations are much bigger, and there's a lot of them. It's a metal core on the inside, metal end caps, and we have a plastic face on the bypass valve. Okay, so much smaller in comparison to the last one, the AMSOIL. Okay, but it doesn't need much to bypass. It just needs to be able to push through there. Now the bypass is used either if the filter itself is clogged up, or if it's in a cold weather state where it's really freezing. The oil is gelled up on the filter media, which prevents it to flow. This basically opens up to allow flow to prevent oil starvation. Now this filter media is a synthetic. I'm pretty sure it's a synthetic, fully synthetic. It says contains synthetic fibers. So contains, does that mean it doesn't say fully synthetic, or, the word contains kind of makes me think that's a synthetic blend, but it being like an off-white color and kind of yellowish, I'm going to guess it's a synthetic blend, because just the way that the wording is on there, it just says contains, which means it could be partially synthetic fibers or fully. It really doesn't specify. But anyways, metal construction, lots of pleats, a lot of pleats on this one compared to the AMSOIL. You can tell that the material is thinner on this compared to the AMSOIL. The AMSOIL had less pleats, but the actual material looked like it was much thicker. So when you fold up a thicker material, it's going to show less pleats, and it's just going to be bigger and thicker each individual pleat versus this. This is a very thinner material, but there's just more of them, okay? But there's way more perforations on the inside of this. So this is a very high flow filter, okay? Lots of surface area, lots of perforations. And then the base plate, it has 8 holes. So better than 6, okay, for sure, to achieve higher flow, okay? So that there is the MOBIL1. This is a 20,000 mile filter. So very robust, removes up to 99%. So the more synthetic material you go, so if you have a fully synthetic or synthetic blend, usually the fully synthetics have the 99% plus filtration rate, and they just last longer. Okay, so that's specifically a characteristic of the synthetic blends of a filter media used for synthetic oils. You're going to have better filtration and smaller micron size. They're usually about 20 micron size mesh on the filters, okay, for this level and caliber of filter, all the premium level and the synthetic filters. So that there is the MOBIL1. Let's go on to the next one, which is the Wix XP, and let's take a look at that one.